Yesterday, we talked about understanding and labeling compound sentences. And those compound sentences have two independent clauses or thoughts. We labeled them sentences. They have two independent sentences that are combined using a comma and a fanboy. So today, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into which coordinating conjunctions do we use. Let's review using coordinating conjunctions. Remember yesterday we had the sentence, monarch butterflies have orange and black wings. That was our first complete sentence. Then we added a comma and. So that's the comma and the fanboy. Then our second complete sentence was, they are considered to be one of the most well-known butterflies in North America. Now, I know that you guys know what the fanboys are, but we're going to identify which ones are best to use for what situation. And again, let's review the independent clause. The independent clause is a sentence that can stand by itself, right? Followed by a comma, fanboy, and then the second independent clause, which is the second sentence that can stand by itself. The conjunction and adds something on. So when we're using and, it means that it's something being added on. The conjunction but connects ideas that go against each other or are in contrast of each other. The conjunction or connects choices, so you can have this or that. The conjunction so shows a cause and effect. And the conjunction yet connects two ideas that are somewhat opposite of each other, emphasizing how surprising in nature that the second one is in relation to the other one. So they may be opposites, but they are very closely related. Focusing on the conjunction and. This one adds something on. So if I have the independent clause, Sally is my friend, the independent clause, Ben is my brother, then I can add these together with the word and to create a compound sentence like, Sally is my friend and Ben is my brother. The next conjunction we are going to look at is the but. The conjunction but connects ideas that go against each other. For example, I have my first sentence or independent clause, I wanted to play outside. The second independent clause or sentence is, it started raining. So when I put those together, using the comma and the but, I end up with, I wanted to play outside, but it started raining. The fanboy or conjunction or connects our choices. This is when you have multiple choices. So the first sentence or the first clause, independent clause we have is, you can have a peanut butter sandwich. The second independent clause is, you can have a turkey sandwich. And when I put these together using the comma and or, I get a choice. You can have a peanut butter sandwich or you can have a turkey sandwich. I bet you some of you may have heard this at home too, given some of those choices, huh? Next, we have the conjunction so, where there is a cause and effect. The first independent clause example they give us is, I ate all my dinner. The independent clause 2 is, I was allowed to get dessert. So because I ate all my dinner, I was allowed to get dessert. So if I combine those using the comma, fanboy, so, that's cause and effect, isn't it? I get the sentence, I ate all my dinner, so I was allowed to get dessert. Bet you some of you have heard this one too, huh? The next one is yet. The conjunction yet connects two ideas that are somewhat kind of contradictory, which means they're kind of opposing each other. They're against each other. but it emphasizes the surprise nature of the second sentence in relation to the first. So, taking a look at the sentences, the first sentence or the independent clauses, owls are known for their silent flight. Try that again. Owls are known for their silent flight. The second independent clause is they can detect the faintest sound from far away. So those they're really quiet when they fly, but they can hear really well. So when I put those together with the power of yet, I come up with the sentence owls are known for their silent flight, yet they can detect the faintest sounds from far away. So we've taken a moment to cover not all the fanboys, but the fanboys we're going to focus on. And if you flip your note page over, you will see that there's 4 practice ones to kind of help you use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the first one, and then you're going to work with your team to do the next 3. So on the blank line, you're going to write the conjunction that best connects the ideas in the compound sentences below. So number 1, the red knots eat lots of horseshoe crab eggs. They double their weight. So what is this? You have and, which is combining thoughts. It adds something. You have the but, which connects ideas that are opposite of each other. You have or, which gives you choices. And I don't think this is a choice. And then you have so, which shows cause and effect. So let's see. The red knots eat lots of horseshoe crab eggs. Blank, they double their weight. Well, I think it's, because they eat so much horseshoe crab eggs, they double their weight. That sounds like a cause and effect for me. So I'm going to go ahead and say that number 1 is so, and I'm going to cross that one off my list. You and your table group are going to spend a few moments completing number 2, 3, and 4. Remember, this is supposed to be short and sweet. So go ahead and keep it short and simple. Don't get into in-depth conversations. Just kind of flip your notes back and forth to see which one it fits. When you're done with this one, go ahead and glue it in your journal and then get back to your independent practice for using coordinating conjunctions.